Picture nominations, and I turn them into delicious dishes. For our first dessert, to honor Bugonia, it's Beegonia, a sticky honey pudding with a honey sauce and a no-churn coconut ice cream. Sauce makes it so decadent and rich and very pub-like. Adding the little no-churn coconut ice cream gives me that nod that I wanted. They just work so beautifully together. It's so floral and subtle and rich and creamy and delicious. I am so in love with this dish, I can't begin to tell you. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.